a lot of movies on car maintenance. This one is transmission fluid. Oh, did I used to mess with transmission fluid when I was a young guy. It says here how to change automatic transmission fluid and filter. I haven't bought a can of transmission fluid since about year 2000. 2005 I got my first lease. Ever since then, my first lease, I haven't bought a can of transmission fluid. I haven't bought a can of oil. I haven't bought a can of antifreeze. I haven't bought a can of brake fluid. And I'm glad I don't bother with that stuff anymore. Yet, let the young guys go buy all the transmission fluid and the oil. I'm out of that rap now.